Prabhu, how to increase the quality of association with sadhus?
How to increase the quality of association with sadhus? First of all, the direction given to us by the Goswamis, by our previous acharyas, the principle of sadhu sangha. One has to practically categorize those who are your peers, those from whom you can receive, those to whom you can give. To those with whom you can exchange, those to whom you can give, those to whom you can take. So 3 levels of sadhus. And how to determine this? Not years of seniority. Phalena parichyate. From where do you get that receive? From whom all you can receive, whom all you have received? To them, you should associate for that purpose submissively, rendering service. Taking guidance. Now there will be less experienced devotees. Devotees who are struggling, like how you have already struggled and you have crossed that struggle, you have come to the next struggle. Spiritual life is an internal struggle of the soul to become free from this material attachments, material world, ignorance, bodily concept of life, sense gratification, material friendship, love, name, fame, adoration in the society of Vaishnavas. All these things are the different levels of struggles that every devotee, conditioned soul has to go through. So, you might have crossed something and somebody might not have crossed. So we have to help. You have to give association. And then that is the quality of relationship with those who can take from us. And those from whom you can exchange realizations, help each other. These are different kinds of, just like a whole, this body is a network of blood vessels, of blood going this way, that way, right? Keeps the body healthy. Similarly, in a Vaishnava community, the Vaishnavas have relationship with other Vaishnavas. Based on these principles, there is sadhu sangha flowing everywhere, in everybody's life. Then there is a healthy growth in Krishna consciousness. Merely by acquiring knowledge, it doesn't happen, because this is a path of bhakti. So quality of sadhu sangha, for the quality of sadhu sangha, you have to understand what is sadhu sangha, as I explained. And then one should, with those, if you don't have compassion, then you will not give time to those who are suffering, those who are trying to come up. That means you have to have, if you want to, quality of association with younger devotees, because you also benefit. From the Krishna's eyes, you benefit because you are doing devotional service, giving association to some junior devotee. So you benefit. So if you have to benefit if your benefit has to be quality benefit, then your seva should be quality. Quality seva, for that means you have to have compassion. Compassion means you are getting into other person's shoes. Self-centered person cannot be compassionate. 24 hours is thinking I and my. So quality of compassion is required for good sadhu sangha. To receive from, you have to have quality of submissiveness. So if we have that quality of submissiveness, it's a very practical thing. If you see a young devotee very submissively comes to you, you feel obligated. You feel like pouring over everything that you have to him. Is it not? So submissiveness is required. And equal friendship is required. Of course, friendship with everybody. But a mood to exchange what you have with somebody and receive something that he has to give. So that quality is required. If you are very proud, then you cannot have that peer association if you are proud. Why? Naturally, will anybody come near you? I is a puffed up guy, nobody will go near him. Even equals won't come to you. Only I know. Only I know everything. The pride.